The third part of the tip of the tongue, I can say it like that, the third pair, which also consists of 3 words. And these 3 words also pronounced from the tip. The first word is sa, wa, and zal. Always remember, when you are going to recite and pronounce these 3 letters, you have not to make any effort. Only with the easy pronunciation you can pronounce these letters correctly. How can we pronounce? Sa, wa, zal. Now the question arises that what is the articulation point of these 3 letters? When the tip of your tongue, when the tip of your tongue touches the edge of your upper teeth. I repeat, when the tip of your tongue touches the edge of your upper teeth, then these 3 letters will pronounce correctly. How can we pronounce these 3 letters? Sa, wa, zal. Sa, wa, zal. And with that rule, at, at. But remember, when you are pronouncing these letters, especially the letter sa, you have not to make the whistle sound. If you are making the whistle sound during its pronunciation, it means the word and the pronunciation is incorrect. Okay? So, okay, these 3 letters are pronounced when the tip of your tongue will touches the edge of your upper teeth.